Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree from With Livery, and today I am going to be creating an apron gift box, and I'm going to be using the KSCraft big apron gift box die. I don't know if I did a project share on this. I did make one for Christmas. I don't think I actually shared it, and I can't seem to find it. I think it's somewhere in the storage, but yeah, so I went ahead and I die cut everything. And I'm using the KSCraft big apron gift box die, and this is what it looks like. And I'm going to be using a couple of other things here on the side, which I will share with you guys throughout the video. So what I did was, with this die, you're going to be die cutting two of these pieces here. You're going to die cut two of these pieces right here, which is going to be the base, and it has the scallop on there, and then two of the layering pieces. So this one doesn't have the scallop, but it also has the faux stitching. And then you're going to cut two of the side pieces, which is going to be the one that has one side not without a hinge. So this one has 3 hinges, this one has 4. The one that has the 4 you only need one of, and that's going to be the bottom of the box. So I'm going to go ahead and fold all of these on here. And you guys, today it is pouring rain. I think today or tomorrow is the last day here, but I don't hate the rain, but when it's going on for a very long time and it's just freezing cold, I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to do this one. Okay, now once you have all those folded, I'm going to glue on my layering pieces before I actually glue on my sides. Because once I start gluing these sides down and I want to put this on, it's going to be a little bit harder. So I'm going to go ahead and use some liquid glue. And today I'm using Barely Arts. This bottle is just different because it is a personal bottle. It's like a personalized bottle that someone had created back in 2023, last year, so of February. But the glue, I do love the glue. Okay, I forgot to grab eyelets for these, but you can definitely put some eyelets in here, so that way it can reinforce the holes. But I forgot to grab some, so I'm not going to do it today, but you can put some eyelets in there. So I should keep this open. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the bottom. Everybody is different and likes to do them all differently. So I'm going to go ahead and glue one side down. So the one with the 4, you're going to take glue and put it here. And this doesn't go edge to edge. It goes from the score line. So it lines up with the score line. So just make sure that they're even on both sides. Okay, and now I'm going to put on the side pieces. Now, if you're uncomfortable with, you know, guessing the center, because if it doesn't line up, obviously it's going to be crooked, you can create this whole section first before adding the sides, if that makes sense. You would just create the whole piece like this, and then you would glue the back and front piece. But I don't mind it. Again, it's just personal preference. But next what you're going to do is take the side, or the piece that has the 3 hinges. You're going to take this bottom hinge and you're going to add glue to the inside, not the bottom, but the top. So you're going to add it here to the inside. And then on the side here, you're going to add glue here, because this is going to get glued to the inside of this piece here. And that's just going to add more stability. And then you're going to do the rest on the outside. So these two will be on the outside. And then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so now this is all put together, and this is exactly what it's going to look like. And my bottom just keeps coming off because it's really cold here. The glue is drying up so quickly. Okay, I'll worry about that later. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to embellish this. So my embellishment today is going to be a little simple. So this is going to be the pocket. The pocket comes with the die. It also comes with a rolling pin. However, I didn't use the rolling pin that comes in this die. So what I used was the KSCraft Rolling Pins Die. They have the exact same one that's in here in this set, but you get a cute heart layering piece that goes on top. And I didn't use this size because it's a lot bigger than the pocket, so I used the smaller size. So this would be the medium sized one, and then there's two other sizes in this rolling pins one. I will have both of these dies linked below for you guys, but that's what I used. And then for the little whisk that I have in here, it's actually a heart whisk, and that comes from My Creative Time. It's from the large bowl die. I am going to have a video out either this next video tomorrow or the following day of me creating something with this die as well. So that's where I got the whisk, and this is what the little piece looks like. So this is the whisk. How cute is that heart whisk? I don't even know if it's meant to be a heart or if it's just the little little wire pieces, but here is the layering piece that I was talking about. So I just punched out I punched the whole thing out, and none of the hearts punched out. So what I did was I left the center ones, and I just punched out one row every 3 rows, if that makes sense. I just used a pokey tool and I punched out those just to create a little pattern, and then that's going to get glued onto the rolling pin. So this is the smaller rolling pin, and again, the one that comes with this die set is bigger. It's the medium size one. And those are just going to go into the pocket. So I'm going to add, I'm going to glue this down first. And then I'm going to pop this heart up, so I'm just going to put a piece of foam. This is too big. And this heart, this die does come with a heart. However, it just hangs over a little, and like just a tad bit. Not too much, but I don't really like it. So I love the heart. I just don't like it on there. So I use the Scrap Diva Designs heart that I've been using. Again, this is something I've been using. It's the pop-up card die. And I'm going to go ahead and add that heart to this. And I'm going to pop this up on here. So I want to get my pieces here glued onto this as well. But those are going to get laid flat, so I'm going to add my foam now. Okay, so next I'm going to place where I want my tools to go. So I can glue them. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add hot glue because there's just a bunch of layers on here, and I'm going to glue it down. And then I'm just going to add some liquid glue to these pieces because these are actually going to touch the paper. Okay, perfect. Look at how cute that looks. I love it. Okay, and then what I'm going to do to embellish a little bit farther, I am going to use the Stamp Market layered banner die and the Valentine Wishes stamp set. They go together, and I'm going to use some cherry ink from the Stamp Market to stamp my little greeting. And I die cut the banner out of white cardstock, and that's going to get put onto there. So this is going to be where I stamp it. Okay, and then for this one, I'm going to stamp Sending Love. Or should we do Valentine Wishes? We'll do Valentine Wishes. Oh, Be My Valentine would be cute. I'm going to do Be My Valentine. I think that would be cute. So, okay. And I'm just going to leave it at that. So I'm just going to leave it like this. I would have definitely double stamped if I was using my Misty, but I don't like doing it if I'm recording a video because my big head's going to get in the way. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it like this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and layer these. Do I want to put each of these on foam? Okay, so I'm going to glue this one flat, and then I'm going to pop up the other layer because there's 3 layers to this. So I'm going to put this down. Okay, so I actually decided to glue it down because it's going to go on foam right here. So I just decided to leave it flat. So this is what it looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and pop it up here. And I need to try and record 4 videos today, which is why this video is going to feel a little rushed. Like I'm not double stamping this or anything, is because I have to record 4 videos so that way I can get them scheduled to go out, because tomorrow is Thursday and I'll be gone Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday is going to be a long day for me. So yeah, I gotta record, edit, and get them scheduled. So this is what it's looking like. So I just want to apologize in advance if I'm going too fast. I'm usually a slow crafter, so this is new for me. And it's not something that I like to do, but anyway. So here it is. I am going to add some glitter because I just can't look at this. There's just no sparkle. So I'm going to add glitter to the end of the little whisk, and then also on the edge of the pocket, just to add some more glitter. I know there's glitter in the middle here, but I feel like it needs a little bit more. So I'm just going to add some glue to the edges. You can do this beforehand. I always just last minute change my mind, and it doesn't bother me. So I'm going to do one side first. And I'm using Pink and Main Ice Rink glitter. And I'll have this link down below. So last thing I'm gonna do, I forgot to, I don't know why I always forget. I always forget to do the to and from, because I was gonna do a tag, but I felt like it might cover, because I've done a tag before and it covered a lot of the front. So I was going to do a little stamp that says to and from. And I was just going to do it at the bottom. I'm thinking I could still do it. So let me do that before the ribbon. Let's try to add this stamp. But yeah, I would have done this beforehand. But like I said, I always forget this part. Let me see if this is big enough. It'll do. Okay, so I'm just going to do the same Cherry Kisses ink. And I'm just going to lightly stamp it. Oh, I'm nervous. I'm just going to bring it close to me. Okay, cool. It worked. So my 2 is a little, it has like a little defect. So I don't know if you guys can see because I looked on here and it's not on there. There's no underline under the O. So that's how my stamp is. I could see it on here. I don't know what happened there, but there's a defect on it. So anyway, it doesn't look bad, but it did get on there, so that's cute. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my ribbon. So I have the same red satin ribbon that I've been using throughout my videos. And I'm going with red to bring the red back up to the top because there's a lot of red going on at the bottom. So let me see how long I want this. And I'm going to grab this and do about this long because I have to tie a knot. So let's see how long this is. This is exactly 11 inches, so it really just depends on how long you want your handle to be. So I'm going to go ahead and thread these through, tie a knot on the end, and that should be it. Okay, you guys, so here it is. How cute is this baking or apron? This apron box die. I love it. You can do so much to this. Obviously, I just went the basic route just because I do have to get a lot of videos recorded today and edited. But you know me, I would have probably gone crazier, but this is just a little example of what you could do with the die. So if you guys are interested in this die, I will have it linked down below for you guys. I'll link Ali and Amazon. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys have not seen my other videos from this series, I have created some cards and some tags as well as embellishments. This is just a quick glimpse of what I have created. So if you guys see anything that you are interested in seeing me make, you can go ahead and click on the link down below to see my playlist. It will be my 14 days of Valentine's Day playlist. So as you guys can see, there's just a mix of everything in here. I forgot to show you guys that in the beginning, but here it is, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Keep an eye out for tomorrow's video, and I hope you guys have a great day, whatever day it is that y'all are watching this, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!